kapag mababa yung score, hindi ito mapupunta sa YouTube. Hindi ko mapopost to. Pero kapag okay yung score ko, nasa YouTube to.
Let's go.
Good morning guys, live update lang. I'll be taking the NMAT today. Today is May 3. I just hope and pray that the percentile rank that I'll be getting is the one that I desired. Pero hindi pa ako kinakabahan ngayon. I don't think mamaya akong kakabahan rin ako. Sana ay matapos ko yung lahat ng subtests. The time now is 9 AM and my exam is 12:30 PM. And I'm just rereading my notes here. The formulas. Here, I have the formula. Like force over mass, mass over acceleration, WFD, so like that. Good luck to me. May I get my desired percentile rank. If nakuha ko yung gusto ko, yung gusto ng Panginoon, I'll be posting this on YouTube. But if not, hindi nyo mapapanood sa YouTube to. Sa akin na lang to. I believe naman na makuha ko yung PR by God's grace. So yeah, good luck. Just watch some mix and match from Jollibee. This is my first time taking it. Let's go guys. I'm not done. Thanks God. So hello guys. I just finished taking the NMAT and some of the questions are basic to the point na dapat alam mo talaga yung sagot. Pero may mga tanong naman na sobrang hirap kahit alam mo. And so I just hope na mataas yung makuha kong percentile. Kasi sa part 1, like 30 minutes ang aga ko natapos. Sa part 2 rin, meron pa akong excess na 20 minutes to 30 minutes, gano'n. Saan ang boses ko? Kailangan na lang magantay ng results. So this is the agony of waiting. Pero I am happy naman na may mga questions na madali ko nasagutan. And I thank God kasi natapos ko to. And I believe kung ano yung mangyari, that's the will of God and we'll accept it. So yeah, bye. Peace out. NMAT results reaction. Submit. Downloads. Where's the NMAT score? Okay, so no matter what the result is, loading. Here we go. Here. Okay, downloaded na. Let's see. Oops. Oh my God. Oh. Cool.